What's up, guys? Right, so if you're on this page and you know about the Weight is Over workshop and you want to get yourself a ticket, scroll down, buy yourself a ticket before they sell out. If you don't know what it is, stick around to the end. I'm going to tell you what the Weight is Over workshop is, who it's for, if you should do it, why you should do it, and if you stick to the end, then I'll tell you a little secret or a little trick that you can do. So now I've got your attention, I can slow down a little bit and explain a bit better, okay? So the Weight is Over workshop, my name's Chris Marco Flores, by the way, is imagine if you are trying to lose weight and you could see exactly what you needed to do, when you needed to do it, why. That gives you 100% clarity of how you're going to escape an unhealthy, overweight body forever. Well, you can, because I designed this workshop to completely map out your weight loss journey from the beginning to the end. And the most important thing is, what people don't realize is they don't tackle the root of the problem, and that's why that's why so many people lose weight and always put it back on, lose weight and put it back on, because they don't tackle the root from the beginning. So we figure out what the root of the problem is from the beginning, and we tackle it from the beginning. So as you lose weight, you make sure you don't ever put it back on, and it becomes your last ever weight loss journey. Okay, so within the workshop, what happens, you can do it in two ways. You can either come to see me in person and we do the workshop base, or you can do it in the webinar. And what we do, within 3 to 4 hours, we cover 5 vital activities. So the first one is your mindset. So people talk about mindset, but they don't actually do activities to get you into the right mindset. And if you don't get yourself into the right mindset, it's like going to a building expecting to get a massage, but actually being chucked into the ring with Mike Tyson and having to box against Mike Tyson. So if you don't get yourself into the right mindset, you get knocked on your ass quite quickly, especially within the weight loss journey, because it's not easy. The second thing we tackle, the second vital activity, is challenges. I talk to you, tell you why challenges are so important, why you should put them in place, what kind of challenges should you do, how many should you do, and how often should you do them. So challenges help give you a focus, help make you stay on track, but also when you do things that you think are slightly impossible and you complete them and achieve them, it expands your mind. It allows you to understand that you can actually do more than you could imagine, which then creates a snowball effect and you just become better and better. The next is the exercise. I break exercise down into 4 levels, and the reason for is because you don't want to jump straight into the deep end, because if you jump straight into the deep end with exercising and you've not got very good level exercise levels, fitness levels, then it's not only mentally hard, it's obviously physically and damaging hard on your body. So we've got to figure out what exercise level you are on, and then we create an exercise plan for the following 6 weeks to get you from where you are, a poor level of fitness, and ease yourself into fitness so you enjoy fitness and you like fitness before you start increasing intensity. The next is the nutrition. So nutrition fuels your body, it shapes your body. And again, I break it down into 4 levels because you don't want to jump straight to the deep end. So if you go from a poor nutrition to a strict nutrition, you weigh everything and it's just chicken and veg, then it's so mentally tough on your mind and also your body that as soon as you stop that diet, you kind of open up the floodgates and you go right back to the old nutrition. It's so hard to go back to the good nutrition. So again, you've got to ease yourself into it, and as you become better, you make it slightly harder. As you become better, you make it slightly harder. And so what we do, we create you a nutrition plan for the following 6 weeks, so you know exactly what you need to eat. And the idea of the nutrition plan is just to fill your nutrition levels up and to go from a poor nutrition to a good nutrition that takes a lot of stress away from your body, but also takes a lot of stress away from your mind. And then the last thing is we plan and prepare it and we put it all together. So when you walk away, you know exactly what you need to do and when you need to do it and how you need to crack on. So it's a really, really, really great workshop. The aim of the workshop is by the time you finish, you don't need anything else. You can take the plan away with you, and you can just go away and do what you need to do to making sure you escape the body that you feel trapped in and you feel unhealthy and it doesn't give you any confidence. And so what I want to do, it's easy for me to tell you my side that is a very good workshop, but I'd like to show you some feedback from clients or people who have gone on to who's been on the workshop. Forgive me, stumbling on my words there, but let me just share my screen with you. So I just share my screen. So this is the first workshop I've done in January, It has a 9.5 rating, so it's pretty good. But I'm completely honest, and I'm going to show you their forms. Now, it's all confidential, as you'll see. So I don't know who wrote it. So I got no names to it. So it's just a complete anonymous feedback form. So as you can see, it's a 9.5 rating. So this one was 10 out of 10. We've got another one, which is 10 out of 10. Each question asks, what did you think of the workshop? Did it meet your expectation? Here, as you can see, it says 100%. Really good to have started a plan that I can finish at home and stick with. So she doesn't need me anymore. She hasn't gone on with me. She hasn't gone on to the ongoing program because she's got everything she needs, or he, within this program, but for moving on. And that's the aim. Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the workshop? 1 being terrible, 10 being amazing, 10, couple of exclamation mark, which is pretty good. So we've got another one here. It's another 10, very informative. We've got 8.5. So I'm very honest, very transparent. Yes, it was very relaxed, and a friendly environment helped me to take in the information provided. So here it says, would you recommend it to a friend? If yes, why? So that's what the reply was. And then we've got another 10. So we've got another, oh, here's a 9. And then we've got another 10. Yeah, would you recommend it to a friend? If yes, why? If no, why? Yes, 100%, because it's something not a lot of people understand, and they need it if they want to lose weight. I've been able to write a book, but my reading, spelling, and grammar is not the greatest, as you can see. Oh, here's a brilliant one. So I had to highlight this one because obviously it was very good. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the workshop? 1 being terrible, 10 being amazing. It was a 10. Would you recommend it to a friend? If yes, why? If no, why? And yes, my first class experience in 21 years beats cancelling. Now that's pretty good. That's saying something. This is not my, this is someone else's words. 9.5, we've got 9, 10, 10, we've got an 8 here. Quite a lot to take in. So I'm going to be completely honest. It is quite a lot to take in. There is a lot of information, but you do completely map it out. Would you recommend to a friend? Yes. I have a few friends that would benefit from it. So definitely beneficial. Go back to 1, 10, been very motivated. So she's motivated, or he was motivated from the workshop. So 9, 10 again. So really good. As you can see, it's a very powerful workshop, and that's from other people's words. Now, this is other people's words. If you come to the workshop, you'll be able to see, because you'll be filling out one of these forms yourself. So it's not my words, it's other people's words. What I also want to show you is my kind of track record from others in within the weight loss industry. So I wrote a book. It's only been out for a week. Well, just a little over a week. And we've already got 3 reviews, 3 5-star reviews. Here is someone called Jay Spau. I actually know him. His name's called Jatinder. So that's probably, if I'm completely honest, is probably slightly biased because we're good friends, like really good friends. Here, though, is a great review. And I've only known this person for 1 week. No, 1 week only after the book. So here we go. Is great read. I'll let you guys read it. It's on Amazon. It's a pretty good read. So this is a non-biased review from someone else. I then want to show you, if you went over to my Facebook page, so Chris Marco Flores, and you check out the reviews, I got a 5 out of 5 out of 36 people, and this is spanning over quite a few years. These are people who are quite happy to put stuff onto Facebook. You know, you've got lots of different people commenting and saying what it's done for them, how it's helped them within their weight loss journey. If you would like to see something more current, there's, as of now, you might be watching this in the future, but this guy's called Tyler. He's a brilliant client and a good friend of mine now. So he's going to be taking on his first 10K this Sunday. So he started with me in October, so just a little over 12 weeks ago, or just under 12 weeks ago, should I say. And he started off at 24 stone. He's now under the 20 stone mark. He completed his first challenge, which was a 5K. This is him here bending over, completing a 5K. He never thought he could do it, and he was quite scared doing a 5K. Now we're doing a 10K on Sunday. He's told me he's more excited than he was scared, because he knows he's going to be able to complete it, even though he knows it's going to be tough. So really, 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 really cool stuff. Like, I love this stuff. I've been working, developing, and the aim is to create one thing that helps people change one time and never have to go backwards. So you're on this page here. This is where the video is. If you want to come do the workshop, just scroll yourself down, get yourself a ticket. Obviously, you can't buy the ones that are sold out. It's all quite transparent. It tells you where the workshop's going to be. It's only $29.99, but if you're in unhealthy overweight body, it's 100% worth it. So apart from that, have a wonderful day. And if you are in a trapped body, I'd love to work with you. If you're not in an unhealthy overweight body, but you know someone who is, guide them to this page. And my mission is to help as many people as I can escape within 2020. So have a wonderful day, and hopefully I'll see you at the workshop because I'd love to work with you.